Oh, here we go.
Oh, yeah. Oh, hey, guys. I was just getting a quick workout on. Let me finish this up. But in the meantime, why don't you go and subscribe and hit the bell and the like button and drop a comment and tell me how your day is going. So, I'm done working out. Let's get this started. And welcome back to Witching Around with Leslie. So today, if you haven't guessed by the title, is a FabFitFun box. I have tried it once before and I'm giving it another try. And I wanted to share this with y'all. I wasn't too impressed by the I wasn't too impressed by the first box. Hey, wait a minute. This hairband thing is supposed to be part of a prop too. Oh, wait a minute. It looked better with the hairband on. Put the hairband and the glasses back on. So we're going to go ahead and dive right into this. Hopefully it's better than last time. And here we go. I always love opening boxes. I don't know why. Okay, so that's in paper. And this is their FabFitFun House Box Curated. Curated with lots of love, of course. Sweated out. I don't know, tells you about some products and some people. And horoscopes. And I can quiz myself. I think I'm going to quiz myself. Words of wisdom. Okay, we're done with that. Now let's jump right into this. I want to see what's in here. It took about a week to get it, but it got a little over a week maybe. It got stuck somewhere within the postal system, I think, for like a day or two. But you know what? There's much bigger postal problems right now. Okay, the first one we're going in with is AHAVA. It's AHAVA Dead Sea Salt, Natural Dead Sea Salt Bath Salts. Bring the Dead Sea's healing waters into your own bath. The minerals help ease muscle tension and leave you with soft skin. Well, I want to try that. Because I do soak in I do soak in hot water and Epsom salt. I am known to do that every so often. Everybody needs to have a soak. Since it's next on the list, we're going to go with, it came a little open, but that's okay. Jonathan Adler Fleur de Sel Ceramic Candle. Let the notes of aquatic breeze, marine salt, orange blossom, mimosa, and driftwood take you on an instant sensory getaway. Okay. A candle. A candle. You shouldn't have sent me a candle, because now I'm going to like y'all. I can smell it already, whatever it is. Okay, so it's just white, which, okay, it goes with everything. It smells like my husband's underarms after he puts on deodorant. It's not bad. I mean, my husband doesn't smell ugly. Actually, I have grown fond of those scents because of him. And he's always asking me, what about this scent? What about this scent? He used to have me smell them at the store. Asking if I liked them, which was sweet. Anyway, so, well, that's nice. It's always nice getting a candle. What woman doesn't love a candle? Next up we have the LXMI Pure Nilotica Melt. This 100% organic balm to oil deeply nourishes the skin and helps smooth imperfections. So what is it? Directions: squeeze out balm and massage into skin. Use as an overnight facial mask or throughout the day where needed. We suggest around eyes, on lips. Ooh, on the lips? Okay. And on dry patches. nice. I just, like I mentioned in my one of my last videos, that I have been really thinking about skincare, because yes, skincare is important and I need to up my skincare routine. So maybe that'll be another video, but I have to just revamp the whole thing, which I am in the process of doing. The next one is Avene, whatever. So thermal spring water. Spritz your face with hydrating spring water to calm, soothe, and soften the skin. Well, that sounds nice. I wonder if it'll work as like a setting spray. I was going to read the directions, but they're covered up. So there we go. That's nice. Oh, I didn't read the prices. So we got the AHAVA Salt pack, which is 11 ounces for $16. Okay, then we have the Jonathan Adler Fleur de Sel ceramic candle, and that is $48. And then the LXMI melt, that is $28. And then the thermal spring water, the Avene thermal spring water, $14. Total retail value $106. That's what was in this box. I will say that this is a way better box than what I got last time, because last time it gave some necklace that was kind of crappy. But here, I think this is a pretty good box. This is just a starter box. I decided to give them another try and got another starter box because somebody offered me the code, so I got it. And I'm very impressed by this one, and this maybe is something that I could subscribe to one day. But right now I'm more about the makeup stuff for subscriptions. But I'm also trying to branch off into more like skincare and facial skincare and other cares, other body cares. And these box run, well, this is, like I said, this is a starter pack, so it doesn't have as much as the other one usually would. But the big boxes, the FabFitFun Members Picks box, run $40. $49.99. No, I don't have a code with them or anything. I'm sorry. I'm not affiliated with them. I'm just doing my own opinion on a product that I ordered. Is all. Yeah, so they're out of stock though. So this starter box I am happy with. And I will actually, because of this box, I will consider subscribing to it. Although I do prefer more makeup stuff, but I have enough already. I actually need to concentrate on other things, other cares of the body, healthcare, skincare, whatever. So, yes, very happy with this. And so that concludes the FabFitFun. And thank you guys for sticking out for my fabulous workout and for my even better review. Talk to you later, guys. Bye.